Hey, this is Josh Green with Real Estate Top Performers in Eastern Title and Settlement. We are so excited for the month of June. We are getting together our Realtor protective gear. We've been talking about this. We've done samples in Ziploc bags. Some of you, like the Dana Rice group, the Kara Perlman group, have gotten these, and we have made them better, bigger, and better now. This is the bag they're gonna go in. If you look, it says Realtor protective gear, hashtag. In that, you're gonna get your hand sanitizer. You're gonna get your reusable washable gloves. You'll get some footsies for your feet for showing open houses, and mask. And what we're asking is that you like Eastern Title and Mortgage Link on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And for that, you're gonna qualify. Wait till you get this. You're gonna qualify to win one of 5 prizes. The first prize, the grand prize, the big prize, is a 75-inch 4K smart Samsung TV, brand new in the box. And the second prize, I even like better than the TV. It's a Marshall wireless Bluetooth speaker. The third prize is going to be a virtual setup so that you can do a Zoom call, Skype call, whatever kind of call. We're giving you a free green screen with a stand, internet camera with a microphone. And that way you can produce, edit, and put out your own content. And the fourth prize, which I think everybody could use, is a 1-hour consultation with AEM or Always Evolving Media for social media and video content. They'll give you 1 hour of their time for free. The value there, I don't even know if there's a value to that, especially if you need help doing it. Mario Padilla, you can definitely comment on that. They helped you with your YouTube setup. And the fifth prize is gonna be a surprise. So in order to qualify, you have to like Eastern Title and Mortgage Link on our 3 social media platforms. And then you have to post the most creative picture using the content in the bag. And then we will be announcing over the next 5 weeks, once we hand out all the bags, the winners. So stay tuned.